International Thermal Systems, we are passionate about helping our customers make better products. We help our customers make better products by providing to them water-based cleaning and heat treatment solutions that they use in their processes for manufacturing and fabrication.
At International Thermal Systems, we design and manufacture industrial ovens, furnaces, and washers.
Everything we do, they may look similar, but everything has its own nuances, and we custom produce equipment to customer specifications.
Typically, we're involved more than I would say the average company on the engineering side. Even at the quoting stage, engineering's working with the customer, trying to better define what they're looking for. And then throughout the process, we're heavily involved with the customer.
Not only do we design the product here, but we build the product here. So the customer can come in over various phases of the build process and see how we're progressing, how we're doing on the project for them. But then we're also there to support them from the start of that project all the way through to the end over the entire life of the product.
We have about 100,000 square feet where we do our fabrication and assembly. We have a highly tenured workforce. I like to say we don't just have workers here, we have craftsmen. So we build a high quality product for our customers.
And something else we pride ourselves in is our state-of-the-art lab that we have over here. What we're able to do is, test that customer solution, verify everything works before it's in the field.
I think it makes us unique in the industry. I think we offer something that nobody else does at this current time. So we have a PhD on staff, and customers come in with the parts. They may spend a day, an hour with us, and we run it through the paces and come up with a solution for them.
We are committed to continuous improvement, to that fundamental belief that we are on a never-ending, fast-paced journey to improve our products, our processes, and ourselves. At the end of the day, I want our customers to be satisfied and pleased that ITS has delivered to them exactly the solution that they were looking for that helps them to be successful as they are making their products.